In this exercise, we are going to learn how to use groups, components, together with tags and outliner to organize our model. Let's start organizing the gazebo model we just created in the last 2 weeks. So open your model, you should see it in the perspective view. Let's change the view first. Click on the camera, select standard view, and then the front view. Then select the camera again to uncheck the perspective. So this will turn your model into this view like a construction document elevation view. So in this view, it's much easier to select all these all these elements in the drawing. So I'm going to use the select tool from left to right. Pay attention to select only the sphere and the top cone shape. Right click to make group. So in this default tray, you click on outliner. So for Mac person and user, click on window, and the component outliner should enter the window. So you see this highlighted group is shown right here. So if I right click and select rename, give it a meaningful name, finial. And then I'm going to use the select tool again, select the roof. Right click, make group, rename, roof. So the middle section is a little bit hard to select. Let's do the bottom first. Select the bottom, right click, make group, right click, rename, base. So now if I uncheck the roof and the base, it's very easy to select the middle section now. Right click, make group. So in the outliner, right click, rename it wall. So if I show this, so you see actually there's a small arrow in front of the wall, which means this wall is a group including all these door and window, 7 windows components inside it. If you just check on this little arrow, you see my model is getting more organized and cleaner. So now let's select this top finial and not click on it. Click and drag it. You see this small black square following my mouse. I'm going to drop it onto the roof. So it's click, drag, drop. So now you see this is reorganized, nesting inside the roof group. So which means if I close the roof group, I have only a base, a roof, and a wall group inside my outliner. This is really organized. Let's apply some material to the group. So I'm going to pick one of the stone, maybe just stone marble. Click on the base group. You see, because I have never applied any material to the group, to the surface, so any default surface on inside this base group, if I click from outside, it will apply the material to any surface without a material before. So this is super fast and convenient way to apply colors to your component, to the group. So I'm going to select a siding. I don't know, maybe just this one again. And then, okay, for this one, because I have a finial on top, so I'm going to use a metal material. And then you cannot click on all of them. You have to use the select tool to double click inside the roof and then click on the metal and click on the finial group first. So next, I'm going to choose a roofing material, apply to this top roof. Now, if I come out the editing mode, I can pick a color, any color, maybe a dark gray, and apply to this bottom, or maybe just a lighter color to apply these bottom trims.